Dear students, today after completion of the differentiation topic, we are moving forward to applications of derivatives. So the new topic is what now? Applications of derivatives. So applications of derivatives means so how we will use the differentiation methods and differentiation principles in our regular particulars. So on that, the first topic is what now? Errors and approximations. So now let us we discuss about what errors and approximations. And that let us we have a function y is equals to f of x is continuous on capital R, continuous on capital R. So let us suppose delta x is the small error in x. So this delta x is the, I am considering it as a small error while calculating x in the function f of x. So corresponding to that, delta y be the error in y. So sometimes delta x can be written in terms of like this also, delta x, and also delta y can be represented in terms of delta y also. Let us check up if suppose this type of errors exist in y is equals to f of x function, then how the function will modify. So y plus delta y is equals to f of x plus delta x. Okay, so x is having the error with delta x, and y the corresponding error to the whenever calculating the x with the error delta x, so the y will also changes, so that the error in y is what delta y we considered it. So the function remains as like this, y plus delta y is equals to f of x plus delta x. So that I am finding the value of delta y, error in y I am finding. So what I would get, x f of x plus delta x minus y we have. So that delta y is equals to f of x plus delta x, in place of y we can write what? We can write what? F of x. So this is the first formula of error in y, in errors and approximation. So what is the formula of delta y is what now? F of x plus delta x minus f of x. I am considering it as equation number 1. So now we know that from the differentiation topic, dy by dx is equals to limit delta x tends to 0, delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x. This is the formula of dy by dx. What is that? Whenever delta x is tending to 0, delta y by delta x is equivalent to the derivative of y. Okay, now so I am finding the same concept delta y value here. So delta y, so I am not taking the exact limitations here, so that it is the approximate value. It is which value? Not the exact equivalent. It is what now? Approximate value is what now? Dy by dx into what now? Delta x. Okay, now delta y is approximately equals to dy by dx means what? Dy by dx means what? It is what now? Differentiation of x. Differentiation of x. So that I am writing it as what now? F dash of x into delta x. Okay. Now one more thing. So dy is what now? Dy is what now? Differentiation of y. So dy can be approximately equals to delta y. So dy can be approximately equals to delta y value. So that I am replacing this delta y. I am replacing this delta y with what now? Dy. So that what I would get dy is approximate value of f dash of x into delta x. So this is what now? The second formula, approximate value. This is the equation number 2. Okay. So now let us observe here. Delta y is equals to what now? F of x plus delta x minus f of x, and dy is what now? Is approximately equals to f dash of x into delta x. So let us, here we are going to considering a note here, that so simple note. So it is what now? Delta y. So what is y? F of x. So it can be indicated as also, it can be indicated as also what now? Delta f. It can be indicated as also what now? Delta f. So delta f is equals to what now? F of x plus delta x minus f of x. And as well as the same value, it is also indicated as what now? Df, second equation. It is approximately equivalent to f dash of x into delta x. Okay. Now from the equation number 1, we have an equation that delta y is equals to f of x plus delta x minus f of x we have. This is from equation number 1. Okay. So from this I am going to find out f of x plus delta x value. So what I would get here? Delta y plus f of x. Okay. So now I will find the approximate value of this one. What is that? F of x plus delta x. It is approximately equals to, in place of delta y, I will replace it with now dy plus f of x. Okay. So here delta y is approximately equals to dy. Okay. So we can get the dy value from the equation number 2. Okay. So what the equation number 2 says? F of x plus delta x is approximately equals to f dash of x into delta x plus f of x. So this is the third formula in errors and approximation. This is what now the third one. Okay. So the dy is replaced with what? F dash of x into delta x. This is the equation number 2. This is the we got it from equation number 2. Okay. So for an example, it is a function whenever x is with delta x error. So the value we got now, whenever error is exist in x, the corresponding function how it will behave and how it is equivalent to, we got this from the equation number 3. For an example, okay. So if suppose we have sine 61 degrees, what we have? Sine, the example number 1 is what now? Sine 61 degrees. So we know the value of sine 60 degrees. So error is how much here? 1 degree is error here. So it can be written as how? Sine of 60 degrees plus 1 degree. So 60 degrees is our x. Delta x is what now? 1 degree. So what is our function here? F of x is equals to sine x is our function, and f of x plus delta x is equals to sine 61 degree. So we need to find out this value now. Sine of 61 degrees we need to find out. We will use this formula for that. Okay. So now sine of 61 degrees is equals to, it is approximately equals to f dash of x. What is our f of x? Sine x. F dash of x means it is what? It's a derivative. What is it now? Cos x. Okay. Now delta x. So from this one, that implies delta x is what now? 1 degree. Okay. Now so delta, in place of delta x we will put what now? 1 degree plus f of x is what now? Sin x. Whenever we simplify this one, in place of x we could substitute here x is what now, and x is equals to how much? It is what now? 60 degrees. In solving the problems we will solve everything from this equation, but you to have a knowledge how to apply this formula in errors and approximations. For example, for an example number 2, if we have under root of 7.8, what we have? Under root of 7.8 we have. So here 1 degree positive error is there. Here here cube root of 7.8 is there. So actually for the cube root under the root we require 8, but it is lesser 0.2 value. Okay. So here the error in the previous example, error is positive, and in this one the error is what now? Negative. So that implies it can be written as cube root of 8 minus 0.2. 8 minus 0.2. Are you following or not? Okay. Now for that, the delta x value is what now? That implies the delta x value is what now? 0.2 negative. Okay. And x is what now? 8. What is our function is? F of x is equals to cube root of x we will consider. So this one is what now? F of x plus delta x. It is what now? F of x plus delta x. Okay. So these are the values we can approach, and we can solve this problem by using this principle. While solving the problems we will discuss everything about these ones, but I want to show here with these two examples, error may be positive error and error may be negative error also. Okay. Clear? Now in these errors and approximations we will have two definitions. What are those? Relative error. Relative error. What is relative error? We are going to discuss now. The relative error is the relative error in x is simply, it is what now? Delta x by x, or it can be written as delta x by x also. Okay, now, or it can be written as delta x by x also. Okay, so delta x is error in x, by x is what now? Relative error of the given function, or relative error of in x. And now percentage error. Percentage error. We are going to discuss about what now? Percentage error. Percentage error. Okay, what is percentage error? Relative error into 100 is what now? Percentage error. That means the percentage error in x is what now? Delta x by x into 100. Okay, corresponding to the x relative error and percentage error, we will find the relative error in y also. That implies relative error in y is what now? Delta y by y, and it is also indicated as what? This delta y by y. Okay, and percentage error in y is what now? Delta y by y into 100. So up to now we find three formulas: delta y and dy and f of x plus delta x. So these three formulas are going to lead in this chapter, errors and approximation. So we are going to solve one problem, that find dy and delta y if f of x is equals to y is equals to x square plus 3x plus 6 whenever x is equals to 10 and delta x is given that as 0.01. So in these type of problems we will occur simple calculations, and we have to apply the delta y and dy formulas here. So in the solution, so given function is what is the function here given? F of x is equals to x square plus 3x plus 6, and we are calling it as what now? Y. Okay, now we are moving to find the value of delta y now. So what is the formula for delta y? F of x plus delta x minus f of x is our formula for delta y. So here f of x is what now? He had given, what is that? X square plus 3x plus 6. But here we have f of x plus delta x. So in place of x we have to substitute x plus delta x. So here to substitute the f of x plus delta x value, wherever x you are finding here in the f of x, you have to substitute there x plus delta x. So for example, here you have x square. So in place of x square, you have to write now x plus delta x whole square. Okay, plus here we have 3x, so 3 into, in place of x you have to write now x plus delta x. Okay, now plus 6 remains the same, so this is the value of what now, f of x plus delta x, minus what we have here, f of x. F of x means it is what, same this one, x square plus 3x plus 6. Okay, now so now while elaborating this equation we are going to get a delta y is equals to a plus b whole square, means it is what now, x square plus delta x square plus 2 delta x into x plus 3x plus 3 delta x plus 6. So minus into the total value, what you would get, minus x square minus 3x minus 6. So this x square going to get cancelled, plus 3x minus 3x going to get cancelled, plus 6 minus 6 is going to get a cancel here. So remains what, delta y is equals to delta x whole square plus what we have now, 2 delta x into x, so this is cancelled. Now what now, plus 3 delta x we have, 6 is cancelled, x square, so these are the all the terms are cancelled with these terms. Okay, now so now we are going to substitute the values here given. What here given that x is equals to what here given, 10, and delta x is equals to what here given, 0.01. so that delta y value is what we are getting now, delta y is equals to delta x whole square. Delta x whole square means it is what now, 0.01 whole square plus 2 into delta x is what now, again 0.01, x is what now, 10 plus 3 into delta x is what now, 0.01. Okay, now 0.01 whole square is what now, 0.0001 plus, so 2 into, so you have to apply some logic here while we are multiplying with the 10, means what, 10 term, the point goes a right side, one right side step, means it is what, 2 into 0.1 we would get, plus it is what now, 0.03, 3 into 0.01 means it is what now, 0.03. so 0.0001 plus it is what now, 2, 0.2, it is what now, 0.2 plus 0.03. so therefore delta y value is what now, 0.2301. so we got the value of what now, delta y. Okay, so now we are going to find the value of what now, dy. so dy formula is what now, we know that what we have the formula, f dash of x into delta x, dy is equals to what now, f dash of x into delta x. so f of x is what now, this one, f of x is what now, this one, x square plus 3x plus 6. so that f dash of x of this f of x is what now, x square derivative is what now, 2x plus 3 into x derivative is what now, 1, and the constant derivative is what now, 0. Okay, are you following or not? so it is into what now, delta x. Okay, so now so here we have the x values, x is equals to 10 and delta x is equals to what now, 0.01. I am substituting here. so 2 into x is what now, 10 plus 3 into delta x is what now 0.01. Okay, so now it is what now 2 into 10 is what now 20 plus 3 means it is what now 23 into 0.01. Therefore dy is equals to what I am going to get 0.23. So here we had got delta y and dy, delta y and dy. So sometimes in this problem he may ask df and delta f also. So in place of y he will ask about what df and delta f. In this also we will apply the same cases, while because dy can be represented as what now delta f and delta y can be represented as what now delta f and dy can be represented also what now df also. Okay, so if whenever he ask about what find that df and delta f, so df value is what now same 0.23 and delta f value is what now 0.2301. Okay, so how he had asked in the problem, you have to give that type of solutions. Okay, now the second problem, the function is changed now. What is the function we have? Y is equals to e power x plus x, and we have to find the values of what now delta y and dy whenever x is equals to 5 and delta x value is what now 0.02. Okay, now the solution. Given that y is equals to e power x plus x, it is our f of x. Okay, now we have what we have, delta y is equals to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. In the similar manner, to have f of x plus delta x value, wherever you find x in f of x, you have to substitute there x plus delta x. So f of x plus delta x value is what now e power x plus delta x plus x plus delta x. So this is the value of what now f of x plus delta x minus f of x. We have f of x means remains the same function. What is that? E power x plus x. Okay, now while simplifying it we would get what now e power x plus delta x plus x plus delta x, and what now minus e power x minus x. So this plus x and this minus x will get a cancel. So what I would get a e power x plus delta x plus delta x minus e power x I would get here. Okay, so for this, from this first one I can write it as what now e power x into e power delta x, and the last one is what now minus e power x, and this one is what now plus delta x. From these two terms I can take common of what now e power x. So what is the remaining term? E power delta x minus 1 plus delta x. Okay, so here I can substitute the values of x and delta x. So delta y is this one. Given that what you had given, x is equals to 5 and delta x is equals to what now? 0.02. Therefore, delta y is equals to e power 5 into e power 0.02 minus 1 plus 0.02 is our delta y value. Is our delta y value. So now we have to find what now? Dy. For dy we have the formula of what now? F dash of x into delta x. Dash of x into delta x. So what is our f dash of x? So this is our f of x. What we have f of x? E power x plus x. We have to derivate it. Okay, f dash of x means it is what? First we have to derivative this one. What is it? E power x derivative is what now? E power x remains the same plus x derivative. Plus x derivative is what now? 1. Okay, clear? So it is what now? F dash of x into delta x remains same. So here also we will substitute the values of x and delta x. X is what now? E power 5 plus 1 into delta x. Delta x is what now? 0.02. So this is our dy value. So in this lecture we are learned 3 formulae. What is that? Delta y, dy and f of x plus delta x. We learned these 3 formulae and we are learning to solve how to get the values of what now? Delta y and dy. Okay, na? We had solved 2 problems. Okay.